Hey, what's up guys? My name is BabaTunde and welcome to the first episode of the Minecraft Factions Let's Play. I'm here with, as you guys can see, the one and only Star7.
Hey.
I'm super hyped for this series on Cosmic PvP, the Spirit Planet. Wow, that sounded so intense. But anyways, we actually already tried to record this video, but we got wrecked in envoy, and the unfortunate thing is that Stefan here, Star7, actually got a blaze spawner, but he sadly got ganked by these OP guys and died. So we're gonna try again, so I'll see you guys when the envoy starts. Hey guys, so envoy just started and I'm jumping straight into it. Hopefully we can find a chest. I see a chest, come on, hopefully it's a legendary. If it's a legendary, I'm gonna flip out. Oh god, parkour skills terrible. Oh, TNT, okay, oh no, we're getting tagged, please don't die. No, no. Hopefully I don't die, oh my god. No. I heard a chest. Guys, I heard a chest. Hey dude, can't get me up here. Oh god! No! Yeah, so guys, I'm totally dead. Hey. Hey guys, so I'm back from the envoy and right now I'm trying to make an underground grinder and I'm gonna put in a time lapse right here, so I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so we just finished the underground grinder and it's pretty efficient. But I'm gonna end the episode off here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry that in this episode we didn't do much. But that's mainly because we don't have the gear to PvP in and the resources to raid. But we're definitely gonna be doing a lot more PvP next episode. And that's another thing. We're going to be uploading factions on Monday, so stay tuned. I'll also be uploading more montages on Friday. And without further ado, see you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.